Dear friends, in today's video, we will have a brief discussion on advances given by the banks. Advances means loans given by the bank. In common manner, loans. Okay, we can classify these advances into four categories. Mainly, we can classify into four categories. One is C&A advances, that is advances given to the big industries and also corporates and also government companies. All these will come under C&A advances. Next one is MSME advances, that is for small business people, small industries and service sector. All these will come under MSME advances. Third one is agriculture segment advances. In agriculture segment advances, we have to classify into two categories. One is for the working capital requirement, ACC, agriculture cash credit. Another is term loan for purchase of equipment, tractors, animals and buffaloes. So all these things will come under agriculture term loan category. In addition to that, last one is personal segment advances. In personal segment advances, we will give housing loans, vehicle loans, that is car loans, and sold articles purchase, and some other miscellaneous medical expenditure. All these things, the loans will be given by the bank. So broadly you can classify. In addition to that, there is export finance also available, that is pre-shipment credit, post-shipment credit, and also non-fund business credit also, that is bank guarantees. So all these things you can classify broadly. These are the advances. Let us have a small discussion on each advances. All these advances, we will give two types of credit facilities. What are those credit facilities? One is for working capital finance. Second one is term loan finance. That means in respect of the working capital for their daily operations, for purchase of raw material and manufacturing expenses, etc., will come under here working capital requirement. And second one is term loan requirement. If suppose they are purchasing, they are constructing a project, so they may not be able to repay the entire loan. So in term loan, they have to repay in installments. It will be a longer period loan. For working capital, 1 year, 1.5 years they will give. That is till operation cycle is completed. That means cash to cash. And here in working capital also, there are many techniques they will use. One is that is operating cycle method, and one more thing is cash budget method, particularly for service in software industries, and projected balance sheet. All these techniques they will use, and various ratios also they will use to assess the working capital requirement of the project. In respect of the term loan also, they will use so many ratios, and also internal rate of return also they will use, so that what is the internal rate of return, how the project will earn in a longer period. That means, and they have discounted, and as per the discount value they will arrive the profitability of that project, and whether the project is able to generate the amount for repaying the loan installment. Okay, so all these things they will assess very precisely and also very accurately, and they will finance. So credit is not an easy thing. They have to assess it properly. In respect of the MSME advances also, the same thing, working capital and term loan. And MSME means, and lot of benefits are available. There is security guarantee also, CGTC coverage, that is credit guarantee also available. All these things are available in respect of the MSME loans. Particularly in agricultural loans also, the working capital is also called as agricultural cash credit. Agricultural cash credit is given for crop production. Suppose if a farmer raises paddy crop, paddy means rice, okay, paddy crop. So for his requirement, what are his requirement? Fertilizers, pesticides, labor expenses, all these things they require. For that we will finance, the banker will finance. So that is called as working capital for crop loan, that is cash credit, agricultural cash credit. Second one is term loan. Here term loan, suppose if a farmer requires tractor, he cannot be able to repay immediately. So we will give 7 years installment, 9 years installment, like that every year, whatever the income he generates, and from that income he has to repay the loan. And coming to the here in personal segment advances, we have to assess it properly. Their repayment capacity also we have to assess correctly. And what is their salary income, what is their income tax returns, how they are able to repay the loan. Here this is purely for consumption purpose. So whatever the other income they will generate, from that income they have to repay the loan. So here there is no income generation here, but only thing is he has to consume. Suppose if he has purchased a fridge, nothing, he will not get any amount from the fridge. Suppose if he purchases a tractor, yes, he can hire the tractor and earn the money. So in that fashion, so for purchasing fridge, if a person asks loan, you give the loan. For purchase of car, if a person asks loan, you have to give the loan, but subject to verifying their income tax, their income returns. That means how much salary income they are getting and whether they are able to repay the loan. And in respect of the non-fund business is nothing but bank guarantees and export credit. While exporters will export the material, they will get pre-shipment credit and post-shipment credit. All these things they will get. And also some bill finance is also available. What are the bill finance? Against the bills, goods if they are transported to some other place, and for that they will also take. All these things, a lot of credit is there, but credit assessment is very much precise. And if you are not able to process the credit, that is a loan proposal, correctly, they may become NPA, non-performing asset. Once they are non-performing asset, bank has to make huge provisions for these loans, bad loans, what we will call. So non-performing assets should not be there in advances. Correct assessment, correct follow-up and supervision is required for healthy advance. Okay, these are the in nutshell I am telling you the advances. Thank you.